Hello, friends! Welcome, welcome! I'm your panda buddy. Today we're going to sing and play together. Are you ready? Yay! Let's go!
Explore with Me by Steve Boys. Hi, my name is Steve. Come with me and my team. See what we do when we explore. My name is Steve Boys. When I was a child, I loved nature and animals. Today, I am a biologist. A biologist is someone who studies living things, like plants and animals. I explore Africa. I want to protect the land and animals in places like the Okavango wetland. My team and I do research. Then we share what we learn. I hope other people will want to protect the wetland too. We make a plan. We look at maps. We pack what we need in bags. We pack the bags in boats. We go to a new place. This place is a wetland. Then we explore. We see many animals. We learn new things. We write down what we learn. We share what we learn. We love to explore.
Thank you for watching.